Okay, let's talk about brow lifting. How do you do it and how can you achieve it? So this is using our Mookaite stone. So starting at the forehead, around the eye area, you're actually going to take this little area right in here and go underneath the eye. So you can even hold up on here and just move this. So you're breaking down fascia and you're helping release that muscle so it can actually get to where it needs to go. So moving this right underneath the brow, you're kind of hooking it and pressing down and pulling down. So you're following that shape of that brow bone. And you'll even feel some stagnation right in here. So this is really good because you're actually releasing that fascia that's built up in there. So you've got that. Then you're going to go ahead and use this part, lifting up the forehead. So bringing it up. And this will help fine lines. And you can even take it into the scalp, which feels so good. So this is going to relieve stress, but it's going to help give you an instant brow lift. Who doesn't want that? Especially if we're not sleeping, we're stressed out. There's a lot going on in 2020. So this really just helps kind of center you, bring you back, and help just give you a little lift. If you have some 11s right here, you can actually work this between the 11s. So you're just doing this motion. You can even go circular motion. And then you can follow the brow. So I even go on top of the brow. And like I said, I'm just tracing that brow bone. And then again, you can go back up here, going with the hook, lifting up that brow bone. Do you guys see? This one looks better than this one. I can already tell. Even this eye just looks more opened. So do this on the other side and you'll have an instant brow lift.